What's up guys, Jonathan Ayers here again with Jonathan Ayers Photography. So in the last video I said something about develop settings and a preset for importing photos so that certain settings are done. For example, if you're going to do noise reduction on every photo in that set, or you should be checking the box for lens profile corrections, and you should be checking the box for removing chromatic aberrations. So if you have noise reduction, removing chromatic aberrations, and the lens profile corrections box check, that's three things that you don't have to do on every photo in that set that you're importing into Lightroom that time. So over the large scheme of things, that's going to be a big time saver. I mean, it only takes a few seconds to check those couple of boxes, but if you have hundreds and thousands of photos that you do on a daily or a weekly basis, it adds up. It adds up. So we are going to do that. Let's do that. All right, so here we are in Lightroom. We have the previous set that we had open in the previous video. Just a really quick, let's see here, we got 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm looking down here at the file numbers. So we'll just pick one of these. We'll go with 15. So we'll move down here. We will lower, we'll set these back to 0. These boxes aren't checked. So what you need to do is set these the way you want for each photo that you're going to be importing. So we'll set this at 30. We'll set this at 30. We're not going to set that at 30. I lied. We're going to set this at like there. And then we're going to set this, I usually do way up here. So then it only sharpens by hitting Alt. You can see what edges are being sharpened. So with no mask, everything's being sharpened. And as you slide this up, you can see what edges will be sharpened. So we're going to do something like that. So we see that these are all set the way we would want them to be. Go up here to develop and new preset. You can also hit Control-Shift-N and that will create a new develop preset. We're just going to name this something import basic settings. Whoops. Can't type today. So we're just going to save this into user presets, or say this is going to be something you want to do for all of your wildlife photos. Say you want to have presets set up for wildlife photos. So this would be a new group under wildlife. So you make sure that your sharpening, your noise reduction, and your lens corrections tabs are checked. Those are what settings are going to get put into this preset. Otherwise, if you have all of this checked, then any other changes you've made will also be in this preset. So create. So just to show you how this works, this is number 15. I'm going to reset this. I'm also going to remove this photo from this. I'm just showing you that how this works. So now we have 14, 16. So now let's go to library, import, and select the file. So we're going to uncheck all. This is just something I'm doing because I have those photos down at the bottom that we don't want to be included. So this is the 15 that we went to before. So now let's go down to wildlife, import basic settings, and now import. So now it's going to import into its own thing because this is the previous import that we've selected. It auto selects that when you import photos. So we can go back to all photographs just to see. So we still have 14, 15, 16. 15 is the photo that we reset. So now it's reset all of these to the settings for the preset that we've created. And that's that. Super easy, super fast, but saves a ton of time if you do this on a regular basis. Alright, so that's that. Super simple, super fast, how to create a preset for your develop settings for importing photos into Lightroom. This is something that I have set up for all of my photos. I do real estate on the side, and this is something that it just saves me from having to even remember to go and check those boxes. So it's very helpful for me. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like this video. If you didn't like it, double tap the dislike button. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of when I create more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below of any ideas you have for future videos. You know, I'm just getting started in this, and if you have ideas or something you just can't find how to do something very specific, just let me know and we'll see what we can work out. Thanks for watching.